Welcome, my fellow creators. This is Sebastian, your mindset and meditation coach. Today, I want to give you 5 principles by Neville Goddard that will undoubtedly help you on the path to becoming a better manifestator, a better creator. So without further ado, let's get into it. Prayer, contrary to popular belief, is not begging. It's not asking humbly to God or the universe to fulfill your desire. Prayer is no more, no less than assuming the wish fulfilled. Prayer is something that you do after you have calmed the mind and the body. When you are in a passive state of mind and body, you can pray. If you are not in a passive state of mind and body, you'll be restless. You'll have distractions. So when you quiet the mind, and when the mind has lesser distractions, especially prior to sleep, that is when you can pray. And praying is nothing more, nothing less than living in the end of the wish fulfilled. Whether it's scripting, visualization, feeling work, thought works, affirmation, whatever the case might be for you, this is prayer. Prayer is living in the wish fulfilled. And prayer works best when you quiet the mind and the body. If you are not willing to give up who you are right now, if you are not willing to let go of all the patterns and attachment you have, even if those patterns and attachments are negative, there is something that is keeping us there. Our mind is attached to them. Our mind is addicted to them. Why? Because we have dwelled upon them for so long that they have become entrenched, submerged deep into our subconscious. So you might not necessarily be conscious of them. And when I say them, I'm talking about limiting beliefs and the emotions and thoughts that results and are translated because of our beliefs. So if you are willing to let go of this through the process of surrendering emotions, of letting go and not dwelling on negative thoughts and emotions anymore, and choosing instead to live in the end more often, to dwell upon the positive, to dwell in the wish fulfilled, more so than not, then you are going in the right direction. Neville Goddard said that we should understand that we are the gods of our own reality. The Buddha, that has nothing to do with Neville Goddard, said that the mind is the forerunner of all things. So, whatever you see in your 3D reality, whatever you can see with those eyes, whatever you can touch, feel, smell, with your senses, doesn't mean that is real. Let me rephrase that. Doesn't mean that is more real than your thoughts, your scripting, your imagination in a broader scale. Whatever you imagine has more power than what you see. Why? Because what you imagine precedes what you see. It creates it. So whatever you see that is not aligned with what you truly want, your wish fulfilled, neglect it. Do not dwell upon it. Stay focused on the wish fulfilled. That's all that is important. So remember, in order for you to not react to negative circumstances, triggers, and whatnot, you have to understand that your imagination is more potent, more important, and it precedes what you see. So if you don't like what you see, stay more focused on the wish fulfilled. In order for us to not let doubt cripple us, we have to see doubt as a friend. Whenever you are in doubt, understand that you need to affirm the opposite. If you are in a doubt about something, it means that you have a limiting belief. So you need to let this limiting belief unearth for you to let it go and affirm the opposite. If you have a doubt about manifesting a specific person right now, you believe you can't have them, well, you need to affirm the opposite. But you need not fight the doubt. You need to let it come up and let it go. Understand that the doubt is your friend, not your foe. As soon as you can see doubt as a friend, you will welcome it. Now, when you welcome it, the doubt will not stay. However, if you fight doubt, not only doubt will stay, but it will come back stronger. So let it come up to the surface and let it go. So when it comes up, you accept it, you embrace it, you are kind to it, because you understand that doubt is a sign that you have a limiting belief there. So once you understand this, it will be easier for you to let go, and then you will have a plan. You can script the opposite of your doubt. You can affirm the opposite of your doubt. So not only do you let go of the doubt, but now you're affirming the opposite. So that's how you make doubt your friend, and that's how you get on the path of creating more and more things that align with the wish fulfilled, with your wish fulfilled. You will need to be daring in order to create. Why? Because it goes against everything that we have been taught. It goes inside, not outside. So when we focus on external circumstances and events, we think that this is the end all and be all. But once we are daring to believe in our assumption and believe in the wish fulfilled and believe that we are the gods of our own reality, only then can we truly be great creators. Because if we are not daring and if we do not have the courage to be consistent, to have faith in the unseen, we will always be slave to what we see outside of ourselves. So to be daring, we need to have the courage to go inside and believe that whatever we're seeing, feeling, hearing, thinking inside is more potent than what we see on the outside. And also have the courage and dare to be consistent and have faith in the unseen. Thank you so much for listening till the end. I hope those 5 principles will help you enormously on your journey. As I said before, I am Sebastian, your mindset and meditation coach. If you want more information about me, please check the links in the description box below, and please like, share and subscribe. It really does help me grow and I appreciate it very much. Until next time.